Hey everyone, it is Anthony from the Performers Among Us, and today we are going to get you tossing 45s like a pro. First, we are going to begin in a second position. Our feet will be turned out, meaning our toes will be pointed out and away from us, and our heels will be roughly in line with our shoulders. Next, our right hand will be at the tab of the flag right next to our hip, and our left hand will be at the second tape, with our arm boxed out in front of us in line with our upper torso or our neck. From here, the first checkpoint is flat. We will count off 5, 6, 7, squeeze on count 8, and move to flat on 8 and. While moving to flat, it is important that we are using both of our hands to move the flag. Go ahead and pause the video and try just going to 8 and a few times. We will then go ahead and reset to our starting position. Count off 5, 6, 7, squeeze on 8, move through flat on 8 and to count 1, the release point. The release point is going to be behind our head with our left hand on our neck and our right arm fully extended and right hand directly above our forehead, creating that angled plane the flag will spin on. Go ahead again, pause the video and practice going to the release point a few times. Alright, now it is time to toss the toss. Go ahead and reset to the starting point and count off 5, 6, 7, squeeze on 8, move through flat on 8 and on count 1, use the energy in your right arm to push the flag up and out of your hand and place your left hand on the back of your neck at the same time the flag leaves your hand. And that's it. Those are your steps to getting your 45 toss. Make sure to get the most out of your time practicing by recording yourself and seeing if you are matching Jeremy in the video. If you have any questions, ask them in the comment section down below. If you enjoyed the breakdown video, leave a like and subscribe for more breakdowns in the future. And remember, post a video of you practicing with the hashtag tpau to be featured on our Instagram page. Have a great day and keep on performing.